I've dedicated a lot of my life to training and to paddling and to getting in my long distance runs, making sure I've got my mileage under my belt. You know, I still race a lot, but being a mom and rolling through our different activities throughout the week and weekend, I'm at a point in my life now where if I can save some energy, I'm going to do it. The hall allows me to be self-sufficient because everyone has a job in our family. It's sun up to sundown. We're just running nonstop. If there's no rodeo, then we're loading up the truck and we're heading to the beach and we're going to surf or paddle and barbecue. We're so lucky to live in such a beautiful place. My husband is a hunter, and so a lot of our meat we're pulling from our freezer, and a lot of our vegetables coming right off our property. It's just nice to know where your food comes from. Having, 4 kids and a large family and living on a family compound, the kitchen is where our family centers around food and eating. The hall allows us to bring our food from Mauka to Makai, or as we say, mountain to the ocean in Hawaii. Having so many different family members and kids and nephews and nieces, we all have something that goes in that cooler, whether it's baby food, lunch meat, snacks, or water, or some cold beers. The hall has us covered.
We're Rover, and we just made a whole new way to chill. Rover's mission is to make gathering in the outdoors more fun. I was tired of soggy foods, back-breaking halls, and warm drinks. So I decided to make my own cooler, and Rover was born. We started with the best materials, the best manufacturers to make the best cooler ever. Even the bears couldn't handle it. Sorry, bears. Introducing the Roller 60. We tackled the design by thinking of 3 main phases of outdoor recreation. First, there's the getting there. We were sick of the super heavy and super clunky coolers that were a total hassle to move anywhere. The Roller 60 is tough as nails with rotomolded construction. And it's also got the most advanced all-terrain wheels, so it easily rolls right along with you on the most rugged of terrain. We even made the wheels bigger to make it easier to get across sand. Our dual-grip aluminum T-handle makes for extremely easy leverage and comfortable pulling on both ends. You won't be getting any more heel knocks. Quick-release Velcro attachments let you add or remove the bin fully loaded. Perfect for hauling sleeping bags, dry goods, and all kinds of stuff. And if 2 wheels are your thing, then you're really in luck, because the Roller 60 is the first cooler with a bicycle hitch, allowing for attach-and-go haulage that you literally can't find anywhere else. Second, there's the keeping cool. The Roller 60 is even cooler than your average cooler. It's capable of keeping your stuff cool for 10 whole days. You heard that right, over a week of ice retention that we've battle-tested ourselves. And with separate dry bins, there's no more hamburger meat rubbing toes with your sodas or unidentified juices overtaking everything else inside. You can organize the Roller 60 just like your own fridge. And finally, there's a real important work of partying down. While all your stuff stays cool and dry inside, the Roller 60 turns into your mobile food prep station and bar with a cutting board, dual cup holders, and stash bag that allow access to the inside of the roller while in use. And of course, it's still bear-proof. Not today, bear. Our mission is to innovate premium outdoor products that make gathering in the outdoors more fun. Support the cooler that's so much more than a cooler, and be the first to impress your friends at the next camp out and put all other neighboring coolers to shame. We just made the great outdoors even greater and can't wait to see you out there. Cheers.
If you've just purchased an Arctic soft pack cooler, here are a few things you should know. First, you have a great eye for value, my friend. These heavy-duty direct-to-consumer coolers are priced at up to 50% of competitor brands. Now, each cooler comes with a few things. It comes with a shoulder strap that you can clip onto the sides. It also comes with a packet of stuff that you're going to be tempted to throw away, but please, don't throw it away. It comes with a use and cleaning guide, a sticker so you can represent, and it comes with a tube of lubricant. Now, we'll talk about this lubricant in a second. The 30 means it holds up to 30 12-ounce cans with ice. And keep in mind that the soft pack also comes in 8, 20, and 40 capacity options as well. And with up to 2 inches of closed cell insulation, it keeps it cold for days. It also has a front pocket. It can hold your keys, your wallet, your fishing permit, whatever you need. Now, on the inside, there's an antimicrobial mildew-resistant liner that's really easy to clean. All you need to do is take some dishwashing soap and a sponge and give it a good wash. Now, with any plastic product, there may be a new cooler smell of sorts, but that'll dissipate. Its vinyl shell is 100% leak-proof. It even floats, by the way, so you can throw it in the lake or in the pool or your bathtub. We don't judge. Now, to help maintain the integrity of that seal and keep the temperature regulated, it's engineered with a really tight zipper track, so it may seem like it's difficult to open and close at first, but all you need is this lube that we previously mentioned. So every 6 months or so, all you have to do is put a couple drops of this lubricant onto the zipper track and open and close it a few times. That'll help protect the zipper teeth, and if you don't have any lubricant, you can actually buy some online at arcticoutdoors.com. Love this cooler, and it will love you back for years to come, I promise. Now go out there and have some fun. Adventure on.